Good girl will tell them. Everybody where
It secret and lies.
You know
That
what I'm
yeah.
saying? I don't know
Yeah,
right
you
now.
remember I put it up on my story. I said there's a movie coming out named Secret and Lies.
we
This is the movie. I wanna hear all secret, I wanna hear all lies, I wanna hear all different kind of something. Oh, see the movie
Oh
crew,
my
yeah.
God, Pink
Yes,
said
Pink
she
Passion.
remembered.
But tell me, say the pink say the movie crew I remember.
Oh my God, you really
Thank you.
did?
Secret and Lies. Yes, this is it.
Yes, me did see it. Ratty same see too.
Yeah.
Ratty.
Secret and Lies. This is
Yeah,
it.
tell her
All the
Frankie up
secret.
here about she. She just love run her mouth. No, 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 she
All the
can.
secret and lies.
I wonder why people them afraid her and class her. Yeah, and the fake
Oh,
page.
the can't go class me on a fake page.
She did. Oh my God, Brashy.
Yeah, I
You
did
were
put it up.
funny.
Secret and lies. Come there, I watch it, you know. I'm gonna say it, I go bust out, you know. All who wanna see, I go see it. But them done see it already, Janet. Secret and lies.
You know, easy and Ross.
But the thing with you, Janet, you know, I'm a patient. I want chop you on your blood clot forehead for no patient. Your forehead big like them coconut and you have no patient. Because a bop bop on your forehead and say, woman, you for patient. You have no patient. Secret and lies on the year. Busting out already. And the series, you know. Every day you get a different series.
I lie, I see him shit where I watch over
A series.
in series. This a one.
Series, on top of
This a
series.
no, this we get about three
So them I
episodes
get
and
bored
little
now, so them
touches.
want draw down brush in a one of the series. But me telling myself for the draw down brush in a one of the series and loose all cleanse that things that hey on the behave on yourself.
Hey, yeah.
And lose some powder also from the draw me down in a one of the series. Come now come out there in a
Put over
movie.
destiny, I cuss you.
But I look for destiny.
Oh, God, I can't bother. No, sir.
When you want to
Make
give
me
me a
call
piece of secret.
live. I
Oh,
can't bother. Puss ganja and destiny live. You deaf?
watch that. She got you see me tell you say she it's me tell you say she don't know how to calm herself. She don't know how hey. Me not appear in a mind could I go for 1000 body man. Stop poke me.
Hey, good. Puss over here. Them say a lie. I can't bother.
Secret and lies them want to give me in fact I auditioned for a secret and lies today. I didn't think I get the part because the producer never liked the truth.
Eh,
The producer never liked the truth. Producer, get the fuck out of here, you hypocrite. Yes, my dear child, my
Even
audition
a
week
mix up
today.
a lie. Why not tell lie for puss for?
I don't do me nothing for rub, for getting a rubbing. More than my audition today and just never get the part. She called me for auditioning up on my sick bed. I'm gonna tell her I said I'm sick. She not even she not even say I hope you get better. She said drink little rum though, bad to bad. She said drink little rum. See that me drink the soup and me a sweat you know. And I gotta drink some more brandy then now. Oh. Then I know when to cool it yeah. She makes sure you rat it close. Where you shouldn't even make happen. Cause bad to bad, the animal is a running little joke, you know? Him the right and I comment him, no, me not call him name, not no bad, so him the there hear me. Yes. Secret and lies. You know, Candy, you forgot to do an intro for your show you for me. Secret and lies. And we forgot to put a song to it. Yeah. You have to do a nice little intro. And you have to put me as the star. Can neither push out Erica the star in her show. You have me, I gonna be the star. Stop drawing me down in night. Make you put up, you have to put up Erica picture, put up Puss picture, and then right at the front. Murder. Secret and lies. And you say someone who no bad out here. Who no bad, you know? Someone who not work two side pan, two pan the group. Not, you know, I'm correct that. I'm not saying group. I am not saying group. I'm gonna like him, I don't worry about that. Yeah, who was such a British person, yeah? I'm not even gonna say on the group. Yeah, you like a movie there, right? Secret and lies. And me, I go start show there, you know. The blood clear truth.
You're not in a no show, boy.
Me definitely not. You know, cause them not give me the audition, sir. Me not pass the audition to the car. Them audition me today and me not pass it.
Hey, girl.
All of them fuckery we are going out here. It's for done. And you see some of them people are out here, people, me tell you no. You see if them are war with you, and them know say the other group are war with you, them go dig up the things them and them go get to the other people on that fake page. So them a put the war on 2 ways. Very interesting movie, of course. Secret and lies. Mm-hmm. Then go dig up your auntie, then go dig up your mama, then go dig up your this, then go dig up your that, because deep down, you know, you and them put it down before, you know. So you see, because you and them put it down before, them still have you up for it. So them take it and send it go give the other people them where you and them argue. And then them come same way attack up in your face. Yeah. And them attack, you know. And then they know so them dig the hole and put themselves in the car. The way them talk to like myself, them drop themselves in it and did not realize them drop themselves in it. And I say, look at that here. No, I know. Mm-hmm. So me, Brash, me not take no side with nobody. Not that side, not that side. I don't want to be involved. You were all friends. It went sour. Two sides. That's sad in me too. I just want to hear the funny bagga. There's nothing no funny about that, the bagga there, you know. No funny about that, the bagga there. That the bagga there is so nasty. When you feel like when you see nothing yet out yourself. And the outer side go on, you know, in the side go on. When you not hear the outer so, not when you see I go on out there so, I just a little ice off of the cake. Remember me tell you, as I say, both parties were at each other. So if you think when you hear something out there, so don't play the tape, because them have the tape, you know, them have the tape, them for just play it and make it done. Make everything done. I don't know why them hang on the tape. The tape when them behave like puss and dog. Like hog and goat. Miss P, I want the role where the person playing. Murder. And if push come to shove, and them two people are gonna rub me again together, you know. Wanna not see oh this been playing out here for years. It's been going in circles. I really like a big idiot there behind them big dirty tough grown woman yeah. Come younger than you know. Every minute you change the blood clot table and turn it. Like una King Arthur. Round the round table. Wanna stop it, man. Every minute you change the table. And re-out upon the behind you every time. Because we love baga baga. After today, I shall baga baga no more.
Why? I can't bother.
It's the truth. Them turn the table. Since you don't want me to talk the truth, me talk the truth. Them turn the table every time. Every minute. And then it's so fucked up. You and this person, his friend, wanna do the things them, and then when you look at the table turn again, boop, you and this person argue. Boop, this person gone for a person. Yeah. Boop, that person gone for a person. Yeah. And it just a go on. I wanna go run go for all of our enemies. But any blood clot girl rub my picnic out here and put up my picnic picture. Any one of them is wanna go blood clot join. Remember my blood clot tell you no, so me I come with my army. Me not have no blood clot troop. Me not have no blood clot this. Me not have no that. But remember me tell you so me I bring out one heap of people come rub out with no blood clot. Anyone I want to join with none of them people here. We put up my picture. Where me say loose and thunder roll with me on a blood clot out here. Remember me telling them, remember me telling no. Anyone I know. When me done with the outers upon the internet, you not forgot blood clot retire. Come here bring all different people from all walks. Come rub on the out. A minute and a pick the joke with the out here. And not because it please you know. Una run go back every minute. And I run go back. Only not carrying the news from over the bottom, man, please. I know film time. Every time me I rub somebody, him want to take the show. Only no, me I talk to the people them we are turn the tables them out here. Where them get them picking rub out by people. Like myself, yeah. Yeah. And them want turn back friend with them. All them people that me attack. Anyone I don't know. Cause I know I have a little problem. I have a little problem. I'm not even gonna talk on a little problem. I'm gonna leave it. But anyone, Miss P, I'm not playing a kids joke with them out here. Then you're gonna rub out my pitney over there, so. Come in upon rub out my pitney. Hey, I'm going to rub out the whole of the blood clot out of your son, telling you where to go push on the blood clot head and telling you to run upon on the blood clot ancestors when we're done with the out here. Every minute on a change table. Every minute. In a suit, you know, get bored. Remember, you know, when you're in the group, you know, and not cuss each other, you know. My word was, you don't need to find new people and cuss because you're not cussing each other. Talk the truth, now that me tell you no. Me say you need to find new people to cuss. Because the war done with Tanya, you know. So the war done with Tanya, them two people are at each other neck. And me say, you need to find new person to cuss because you at each other throat. Both of you. Me they tell you no. Me open up my mouth, me never keep my mouth silent. Me open up my mouth, me telling you for stop. Me telling you no, no do this. Me say you for go find new people for cuss because both of you look like you can't help it. So me say you need for go find new people to cuss. You never take my advice on the start to go at each other. One of the wickedest bomber clot we shock me. I saw me lie down on my bed and I just listen to you know, the way it shocked me. I couldn't move. A little water me have to draw for. I don't talk to you, you know, because sometimes I'm not talking mood with nobody right now. I talk about the people them out here. Want to stop it. Stop it. Stop and bring down on one another. If the friendship no work good, on go on no ways. That you go east, them go west. On done, on stop rubbing on one another. Stop a rubbing on one another, man. It no look good. You think it look good? Ah, like how me dey over here, so me is not an enemy, you know. But me I laugh. Me I laugh. Me I laugh. Cause me have to laugh. Cause me love laugh. You know me love chat and laugh, right? Me love
Love
banter.
you.
And make up my baby events over here. So I tell me don't talk there. Eh? Me I laugh. You make a ratty leaf from England style gone American. You don't know how to hold it. Went for drown a blood clot gun. You if you know went for drown a gun, man. Gun. You got to know when to hold. Know when to walk away. And know when to run. You better count. I'm watching a sink on herself out here, sink on herself, a sink on herself. I sink on herself, I sink on herself. My mind on me run, you know. Me run when me see that show down and that show down bad and it a go down bad. Me run. Hey, go over there go tell Puss. Go over there go tell Puss that if hypocrite was a person, go over there so go tell her. Cause if I can remember, she play one of the biggest hypocrite out here. Hey, me tell you though, she play one of the biggest hypocrite
Oh
out
my
here.
God,
Since
like,
you are
shut
come
up.
attack.
Why you up here to comment them no mind?
Make a block you. But if hypocrite was a person.
Like, don't pay them no mind.
Me not care if Puss a watch. Puss wa watch. But she never call nobody hypocrite when she play one of the biggest one out here. She don't know when to draw her gun. You have to know when to draw your gun. I'm not argue with them, man. I just attack and advise my opinion. She call for the truth and she get the truth and never like the truth. You little UK people, them love you. You know, go on, well, I'm you little UK people, them know when to draw the gun. Hey, bad girl Susie, you over here. You have to know when to draw your gun, man. You can't war and know when to draw your gun. Sometimes you have to just lie down by your belly and size up the blood clot targets. And know when to eat them. That's what you have to do. Pussy can go and rub herself. Pussy look somebody for rub her.
I asked, she asked Brash if Pussy rub you too. She never said Pussy rub
Wanna
you.
put question sign, please?
I think she did. No?
Oh, I must mean that. So I'm put on my glasses. You know
Yeah,
what
she
I'm there.
did.
I'm put on my glasses.
She did.
Push just go out with that little foolishness. That's all. And that's a them problem and them feel for see that in the diary. Okay, I have on my glasses now, guys. Oh yes, there was a question sign there. No, sir. Me no want money ask me no question. Money don't question me. Don't question me. She not even think back. She ask the question and she not even think back and say, no, Brash, not at that time, at the other part, in the last half, or so. She not even think back and remember good enough to say, no, Brash, me not talk a time there. More than she just start, I say, a lie me I tell. A lie me I tell. If you think back, you can't in one group and things attack and you don't know when it talk, how it talk. Come here, me I bring the date what you know and you say every minute you're part May the first. May the first. Me say that's when it happened. May the part England time. England time, May the part and time. We talk about our date and time.
I can't bother.
When I look for money, I be a trouble me notice Shaggy from the other day. Yeah. She not think back, and say, make me think about what Brasha say. Cause if I ask Brash for the truth and Brasha give me this as the truth, something must wrong. Go back up in the inbox, lady, and go look for it.
No, it's okay. It's like if she has something in her head, like it doesn't matter what you're saying, she's just gonna continue saying what she's saying.
That's a true still, Candy. Anytime she put something in her head, she say, I say it go. You see, just have to leave, I'm not business in this, man. I just have to leave, Because no matter how people are telling you this, you have it in your head, the way how you have it. Leave, man.
Leave people business alone. The people business, I mind you.
Rose cloth. Hmm. Hold on there. But just say something.
Well, we not go get bigger with we, you know. 'Cause we not look. No, me definitely not.
And I don't want it to, yeah, block it. You know, say, me just screenshot. So me go block it. Yeah, man, block them. Me just screenshot a while ago.
Oh, me not even see them type sitting.
Yeah. There is a other as a moderator. Make sure block it.
You know, long me see the moderator sitting past. Why you do that? No. Brash?